Hey guys, and welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll show you what Apetamin is, what it offers, and how to use it. So let's get started. According to the official products information, Apetamin is an appetite support product available in a syrup and tablet form. The product is marketed for people who's looking to increase their appetites and support weight gain, and it contains a blend of vitamin, amino acids, and other active ingredients depending on the information. And as you can see here, by the website or according to the website, it shows here what is it and how it works. If you keep scrolling down right here, you'll be able to see some quick facts about Aptamin, benefits of the syrup, and also the side effects if you are interested about that. And they'll show you even where you can buy Aptamin if you want to. So you'll have to verify from the seller that you're going to buy it from. So according to the product information, Aptamin is intended to help stimulate appetite and provide nutritional support as part of a balanced diet. But before considering these products, take some time to carefully read all of the product information, ingredients, and usage instructions, since health-related products may affect people differently, as an example, by the side effects related or mentioned on these products. So it's always a good idea to do your own research and make sure that you're comfortable with the products before purchasing it. And to use Aptamin, you'll have to follow the dosage instructions provided on the product label or on the package information. Use the included measuring cup or spoon. So if you're using the setup, and make sure to avoid taking more than the recommended amount because it might harm you. So if you decide to purchase Aptamin, make sure that you buy it from the official store or an authorized seller if one is provided. Before completing your order, just carefully review the ingredients, pricing, shipping information, and the return policy so you know exactly what you're purchasing. Taking a few extra minutes to review these details and do your own research is always recommended. And if you have any questions before purchasing or using the products, you can review the information provided by the manufacturer. And as an example, according to this website, they do have frequently asked question page or section. So here are some of the informations that you may want to know, as you can see. And they do have also contact us option if you don't find the question that you want here in the frequently asked question. You can find this at the bottom of the page, click on contact us, and you'll find their official email to contact them if you still have other questions that you can't find in the frequently asked question. And as with any health related products, it's always a good idea to consult your doctor or healthcare provider before using it to make sure it's appropriate for your individual needs. Also, do your own research and only continue if you're comfortable with the products and its claims. So if you found this helpful, hit that like and subscribe button and watch our next video.